The sudden rise of water due to heavy rains, the flooding of whole countryside, great loss of life and property, cottages of the poor farmers washed away, fields flooded with water, crops destroyed, numberless people rendered homeless, starving. A feeling of horror and sympathy in the whole country, arrival of relief parties and giving of relief. Even the poorest of the poor came forward to help. It was the fishermen who lived by the sea, who came forward sailing in their boats to help and saved many Keralites stuck in their homes. With the waters flooding the streets, relief work and whole lot of kindness and positivity took over.